So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can hide any app on your iPhone using the inbuilt feature of an iPhone. You don't need any third-party application to do so. Now in order to do it, let me show you with an example. Simply go through the apps of which you want to hide. For example, if I want to hide this Drive application, now all I need to do is to just simply tap and hold to this, and once I do that, here first of all I just simply need to enable this option of require face ID. If you haven't set it up, you simply need to do it, and once I click over there, here you're gonna see two options: require face ID, hide and require face ID. If you haven't set up the hide and require face ID, once you click over there, it will scan the face, and with the face ID it will ask you to hide the app. And if you haven't set it up earlier, it will ask you to set up with the passcode, and once you are done, just simply hit hide app. Now this application is gone. Now if you want to check it, just simply scroll down till the apps library. Here scroll down in this right bottom corner, you're gonna see this option of hidden. Just simply tap over there and it will scan the face. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.